She's heavy. Drop it?
Let's drop it off right there. Got a little too excited and opened the box already. Some coilovers for the whip ski.
Feito is a word, right?
Huh?
Like ugly?
I got the coils right here. Some Rev 9s. On my way to my boy's Angel's house. We're gonna be installing them at his house. It's about fucking hot as hell. Oh shit. About 89 degrees outside. Got the AC blasting. Yeah, stay tuned. Got the Rev 9 coilovers. These are the fronts.
These are the ones that I would like.
The rear. The tools.
Okay.
Maxing it out.
Messages.
Got the wheel off.
Attack you with messages. I'm so annoying. I feel like you should just tell me that I'm being annoying, you know? I feel like no me dice.
You got the right front off. Here's the OEM and aftermarket.
1 hour later.
It's already full.
Did a quick part run over here at O'Reilly's. On our way back now. Got the coils in. Got my boy Angel just tidying everything up. Yeah, first front right side basically done. Primo.
I don't know how much lower it is, bro. Not much.
Nice and tight.
Not too tight.
Alright.
That's good right there.
Listo.
A ver, vamos a ver. Now compare it to the other side, bro.
Like,
Bro, you have one finger, dude.
that's like no clearance. Right here we have a whole hand.
Yeah?
Yup. 4 fingers. That's crazy.
A ver, vamos a ver. Fitment, dude?
Fitment check. 1 finger.
One finger, bro.
Right here. Before. My whole hand fits in there. That's the rear. That's next. We got the front done. Got the shocks and springs.
You have the other part of the spring?
Yeah, it's on the table. The foreshock.
A ver, vamos. A ver, ¿cómo se ve?
Tucky.
Yeah, dude? Yeah.
How much is this one though? No, it's like about 1-2 finger.
Yeah, 2 fingers, but it's the... Ready?
Yep.
This one's higher.
A few moments later.
Ahí está, listo.
Listo.
A ver, ¿qué tal?
Let's get it.
Qué tan bonito se va a ver. Mira.
Fitment check.
Uy. Se me hace que ahí le falta una tuerca y yo se la saqué.
Here we are, final look. Tucking. Same on the front. Came out pretty good. It was a pretty easy install. It is annoying though. I was on the freeway, kept hearing rock chips hitting the bottom of the car. It gets annoying. But yeah, came out good. Package just came, some carbon fiber parts.